Hello. So you want to use RepairBuddy for your customers so they can book their warranty or they can claim their warranty with you. So what you can do to change this form for warranty booking, like in regular booking form, they have to select the service, but in warranty claim, they just need to tell that it is booking warranty and whatever label you want to give it, like warranty claim. So let's save it. After saving it, now let's complete the booking and let me show you how warranty booking will work with RepairBuddy. As you know that how you can add the types, and if you don't use types you can just disable them. And here you can add types, brands and devices, and then services. Alright, so let's say they are going to claim their warranty for the Typhoon and device brand Apple, from where they can select iPhone 8. They can also search their device here, and if their device is not available here or here, we can select the option other, like this option other, if their brand is not listed here, and if their device is not listed here, then they can select other device. But I will select the so they are claiming warranty for two devices, Galaxy S20 and iPhone 8 Plus. Now you can see they are not given option to add service. They are just directly service warranty claim, which you entered here is selected for them. And now they will say pick my device, they are shipping device to you, or they want you to repair on their location. You can disable the options you don't need. Let's say they want to come to your store, and they set this appointment time, and then they enter their complete information. After that they will their booking will complete, and they will receive their account logins, so they can log in and communicate with technician or about their repair. And this is the email they have received. You can modify email from here, booking email to customer and booking email to administrator. You can modify the text here. Once you receive the booking, you will see it like this here, and this is the appointment set up with them, and you will review if their claim is valid or not valid. If not valid, you can send them estimate, or you can just repair it and do whatever you want. And if you send them estimate, they will receive the estimate like this, and this is the estimate they have received. Alright, you say that this is what they have to pay for repair, and they can approve the estimate or reject the estimate. If they approve, the job will start, and if they reject, and you can pack it and send it to customer back. So whatever you want to do. So this is how you can work with warranty claims with RepairBuddy. Let me know if you have questions. Thank you.